today we're gonna do the Mediterranean chickpea bowl. You need the grape tomatoes, fresh lemon, red onion, tri-colored pearl couscous, fresh avocado, and organic garbanzo beans. So these are the ingredients here. Just a few ingredients. Okay, we're starting by boiling some water. Gonna add a little bit of salt to that, and then once it boils, we're gonna add half the bag of couscous. I've got some grounded pink Himalayan salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of that to the water to salt it. This is how the couscous is looking as it's boiling. We check to make sure that the avocado is ripe, and it is definitely soft to the touch. So I thinly slice the onions very quickly. Rinse the tomatoes off. Next, we're going to open this, drain, and rinse it. Rinse it off. Once we drain it, we put it in a bowl, and then we're going to toss that with seasoning. Okay, so now that we have drained the garbanzo beans, we're going to add some seasoning to it. I'm going to put in some garlic powder and some smoked paprika. It already has salt in it, so I'm only going to add some parsley just to give it some color. I'm going to mix that up. Now we're going to strain the couscous. Let that strain. Now we've drained the couscous. Now we're going to take our couscous, we're going to put it in this little bowl here. Drizzle with about a tablespoon of olive oil. So I had heard about this, I'm going to improvise. I'm going to add some crunchy chili onion sauce. I'm going to add that into the chickpeas, and that's from Trader Joe's. I'm going to add a little bit of that to give some flavor into this. Mix that in there. It's like a crunchy chili onion sauce. I've never tried it before, so I'm not sure if it's very spicy or not, but we will find out. I just put a little to start. Instructions also said to wash the tomatoes and cut them in half, so I did that here. So now I'm supposed to arrange everything on a plate. I've got the onions, the tomatoes, the chickpeas, the couscous, the lemon, and avocado, and I'm going to also add some feta cheese to it. So once I have it arranged, I'll show you what it looks like. Got the chickpeas, the couscous, put some of the tomatoes there. I'm going to put some of the onions, which I do love onions. I'll put that right there on top of the tomatoes. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm going to drizzle a little black pepper on top, a little Lari seasoned salt on top, a little chili infused oil on top. Ooh, come on out. Let's go. Okay, we got a little bit drizzling out. You can see a little bit coming out on here. Yeah, you might be wondering what this yellow thing is. It's my lemon squeezer, so I can squeeze some fresh lemon juice like so. It's very easy and very convenient. Just put in a half of it and squeeze it into a container or directly on my meal like I'm doing here. Then I'm going to drizzle a little feta cheese on top, and this is what it looks like. It's very colorful, it's flavorful, and I would rate this probably a 9 out of 10. And it's easy to make, and so far it's probably my favorite. It's very filling as well. As you can see here, this is some of the groceries that I received with this order. We have nice snacks here like the popcorn, which is absolutely delicious. It's made with coconut oil. If you don't like coconut, you may not like it, but if you do, you're really gonna enjoy it. It's different from any popcorn I've ever tried before. And if you guys want to try Hungry Root, I'm gonna leave a code here up on the screen so that you can get $50 off when you purchase from Hungry Root. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my Cooking with Journey to 50 Plus playlist for more healthy ideas. Don't forget to comment below and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more recipes on the channel.